Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. In this video, we will discuss the new GST changes introduced in the sales order. To enable the tax region and tax fields, open the configuration window. Go to Other Options and click on Column Locks. Enable the options to unlock the tax region, tax percentage, tax 1, and tax 2 columns, and then save the changes. Create a new sales order, and you will be able to see the tax region field. Define the customer name, select the tax region, and then proceed to the item details. To add the tax columns in the item grid, open Setup Column Attributes. Scroll down, and you will see the new tax fields at the end of the list. Simply tick to add the tax percentage for SGST and tax 1 for CGST. Also, enable the corresponding amount columns. You can rename the column header text and rearrange the column order as required. Once done, save the changes. Now, transact the item. As you can see, the tax columns display the tax amount details. After verifying the details, save the sales order. To add the tax details in printing, go to the menu bar. Under Continuous Printing, click to open the Sales Order Print Designer and Printing window. Select the sale order from the search and click on Refresh. Click to open the design window. From Table menu, click on Edit Bound Table. Open Settings. Click on Add Column to insert new columns. From the Bound Columns list, search for Tax 1 and Tax 3 percentage and amount fields. Add these columns to the table. Then, open the column properties and rename the header text as required. Define the font, size, alignment, and other relevant settings, and arrange the column order accordingly. Once done, click on OK to save the changes. To add tax fields in the footer section, insert new rows in the table. Then open the Properties menu available at the bottom. Here, you will find the Tax Details table. Simply insert the required fields into the grid. After completing this, save the layout and click on Preview. As you can see, the tax details are now displayed in the sales order print. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.